Hey there, plant lovers! Did you know that some of the most beautiful indoor plants can thrive in the darkest corners of your home? Welcome to today's video where we'll explore 5 indoor plants that not only survive but thrive in low light conditions. So, let's talk about a common struggle many of us face, keeping houseplants alive in low light environments. It can be super frustrating when you pour your heart into caring for a plant, only to watch it droop and fade away. You're not alone. A lot of people share this challenge, feeling disappointed and sometimes giving up on their plant dreams. But don't worry. I'm here to turn that around and show you that you can have a vibrant indoor jungle, even in those dimly lit corners of your home. Now, let's dive into our 5 fabulous plants that are perfect for low light. First up, we have the snake plant. This resilient beauty is famed for its striking, upright leaves and its ability to survive in almost any condition. It's incredibly low maintenance, just water it every few weeks, and it'll reward you with fresh air. Next, we have the pothos. This trailing vine comes in various beautiful varieties and is known for its heart-shaped leaves. It can thrive in low light and even helps purify the air. Then there's the ZZ plant. This gem is nearly indestructible, with glossy, dark green leaves that can brighten up any space. Just make sure it gets some water now and then. Our 4th plant is the peace lily. Not only does it have gorgeous white blooms, but it can also thrive in low light. Plus, it's a great air purifier. Lastly, we can't forget about the cast iron plant. True to its name, this plant can withstand neglect, low light, and even a bit of drought. It's perfect for those who may not have the greenest thumbs. Now, here's the exciting part. Let's talk about the most surprising plant that thrives in low light, the ZZ plant. What's so unique about it? Well, aside from being nearly indestructible, it has an amazing ability to adapt to its environment. Its thick, waxy leaves not only look stunning, but they also store water, making it perfect for forgetful plant parents. If you're looking for a conversation starter in your plant collection, this is the one to have. So, to recap, we've talked about the snake plant, pothos, ZZ plant, peace lily, and cast iron plant, all of which are fantastic for low light conditions. These plants are not only beautiful but also easy to care for, making them a perfect addition to your home, especially if you're dealing with less than ideal lighting situations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other houseplant guides in the description below. Happy planting!